All right. We need to go see if the dirt bike trails are open, so we're gonna take the side-by-side up, go check them out. All right, Penny came with me in Coop. Penny, how far is that tire off the ground? Pretty good.
Probably like 10
Hey, that was a fun trail though, huh?
Yeah.
That was cool. We're gonna keep going up, but I just wanted to stop here at this rock.
I got so muddy. I was like tucking my hair in.
Smart. I'll help you with that, bud. Yeah. Should we spin this tire?
I want to take a picture on the rock.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice. Well, we're seeing how it gets for that frame to go off of it. Oh my, he's tipping. He's tipping. Oh, this is so satisfying. Cooper, isn't this satisfying? Yeah. Stuck. Oh. Dad, did you get stuck? Oh, I think he's gonna go up it. Maybe. He's asked. Aww.
Hi, centered. Sorry, guys.
He is late.
No. Then I was like this. And then I just fell. I was like this.
Ooh, that aggressive is cool. Okay. And
it was super fun getting out with the kids. It was fun because they were yelling and screaming and having a great time the whole time. So I love taking the kids out. Trails are open, so we've started riding the dirt bikes on the single track. So thanks for being here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.